Do you love listening to music or watching movies on your home theater system? If so, you may have considered adding a power conditioner. But some folks are skeptical. Do those things really work? I'm Joe with Gramophone in Maryland, and today we're going to take a look at the AudioQuest Niagara 3000. First, let's actually look at the problem, and then we'll consider the Niagara 3000 as the right solution for your system. The AC system that we have in our homes was really invented almost 100 years ago for a situation very different from what we have now. There really are two sources of problem that can junk up the AC line that you have in your home. The first is all of your appliances. So think refrigerators, hair dryers, washer and dryer, microwave ovens. Basically, anything with a power cord will feed back noise onto your system, including your power amp, your home theater receiver. If it's got a power cord, it's adding noise and distortion back onto the line that feeds your system. We're going to use a handy-dandy noise analyzer to actually demonstrate the problem. Now, this product has both a speaker built into the back of it, so we can actually hear if there is noise on the AC line, and it's got a little display here in the front that goes from 0 up to 999. Now, if there's even more noise than that, it will simply display max. So we've got this plugged into our system here at Gramophone, and you can see, I hope, that this one has already reached max, and you can hear all that noise that's junking up the line. If we plug it into, however, the AudioQuest Niagara 3000, right now it's reading 22 on that scale that goes up to 999, and you can barely hear it. Your music will sound better with one of these. The fit and finish on this product is really beautiful. They did a great job with the look of the product. And they even included rack ears in case you decide that you want to rack mount the product. And secondly, let's take a look at the back. Now, these first two are high current power outlets. So think, let's say, a pair of monoblock amplifiers, or perhaps your home theater receiver and your subwoofer. The remainder, the other 5, are really more intended for the source components. So now think your streamer, CD player, a turntable, that sort of thing. And this is a non-sacrificial surge suppressor. So some of the competitive products, if you get hit by a big strike of lightning, it'll literally smoke it. The MOVs will burn up. Not with the Niagara 3000. Now let's take the cover off so we can look inside the Niagara 3000, and we'll take a look at some of the specific things that they're doing to make this product sound great. The first is what they call linear filtering. In Niagara 3000, they're filtering across the entire audio spectrum, which really does a great job of reducing the noise. Your power amp will sound better than it ever has because this device is providing 55 amps of reserve current. So when there are those big musical crescendos, it sounds great. This is AudioQuest's patented GND system for ground noise dissipation. A lot of power conditioners don't address ground noise at all. AudioQuest has a patent on that system. The nice thing about that is that you've got a certain amount of power in your system, but AudioQuest is pushing the noise floor lower, so the dynamic range is better. You will hear low-level details that you just can't really hear any other way. I also love the way that they've done the wiring in here. They did a great job with the internal construction. Niagara 3000 is a beautiful component inside and out. You've invested a lot in your system. You want to get all that you paid for. The Niagara 3000 is a beautiful way to do that. It retails for $3,900. To learn more about AudioQuest's line of power conditioning products, check us out at gramophone.com, or you can buy products at Sky by Gramophone, where you'll get secure checkout and fast free shipping on most orders straight to your door. Or come visit us at Gramophone in Timonium, Columbia, or Gaithersburg, Maryland. Bring your own demo gear so you can hear what these power conditioning products sound like. Thank you for watching this video. Follow us on social media. We'll put the links down below, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.